In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a bank account to your Chime account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Chime app like you normally would, then go over here to where it says home. Then you want to go ahead and select on your cash available. So it might be $0, for example. For me, it's $2, but you want to press on it just like so. And then afterwards, you're going to get this option that says transfer, and you want to press on that. And then you're going to get something that looks like this. So where it says from, select an account, please select on that. And then you want to press on add a bank account. So just go ahead and click on that. And then from there, it's going to open up a platform called Plaid. And Plaid is basically a software that will allow Chime to securely connect to any of your bank accounts. So you just want to go ahead and select on continue. And you will need to input your phone number just to verify that it is actually you who is trying to link another bank account. So be sure to have that on standby. And then from here, you guys have the option to add a bank account over to Chime. So I already added one in the past, so that's why there is an option. But you're able to select on add a new account from here. And then from here, you're able to select on whatever bank you're using. So you could use Chase, Capital One, Bank of America, etc., Charles Schwab. And then the way it works is that you need to log in to that bank. And then you need to confirm it from there. So you will need to enter in your bank user ID and your password. And once you do that, it is going to once again ask you for confirmation, and it's going to ask you if you're 1000% sure. It's going to ask you for permission, and then you just need to select on yes. And then from there, you should be good to go. Now, that is not all. So it actually does take a little bit of time in order for your bank account to be fully verified on Chime. So sometimes they might do like 2 little mini deposits to your bank account, and then you need to look through your statements. And then you need to enter in how much they actually did send you. And that's basically just for security purposes. And they're typically only going to send you like a few cents, nothing crazy or anything like that. So just keep in mind that it might take a little while in order for your bank account to be approved, but it definitely is worth waiting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.